how to add auto DAC to your voice audio on Audacity. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to add the auto DAC effect on Audacity, easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Audacity, as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is select your audio like this, or you can select it here, and I recommend you to double click, and then go here in the top, click on effect, and then click here on auto DAC. After you click on it, the effect is gonna be applied on your voice audio and everything is gonna be done. You will find it right here. It's in the second option after amplify. If you didn't find this option, all what you have to do is download the old version of Audacity, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the very end. See you later, and thank you so much.